Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, view and test. M31 wireless lavalier microphone system from WinBridge. Let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. User manual. Nice case. Type A to Type C, 20 cm the length. You need to charge this case. WinBridge, small, lightweight and portable. The Type C port provides a quick 1.5 hour charge for the microphone and 2-hour full charge for the case. Plug in, you need a 5 volt. %100% capacity, it says here the battery, it is fully charged, nice. Magnetic, I like it. Effortlessly connect to any device, choose the Type C or lighting receiver for instant plug-and-play access to your smartphones, cameras and tablets. We need to remove these films and then place it back and it will start charging. Nice. Or if you want, you can use the Type C and charge it one by one. There it is, it's charging. Here it is a clip, WinBridge. Pick up microphones at the front here, indicator light, the windproof here at the front, the 2 charging pin and the Type C charging port of the microphone. I have already shown you that, you can charge it. Here it is the power button of the microphone and the function button. I like it. Same in here. Now let's give them a fully charge and then of course I will start the test, connect to my iPhone, my Samsung Galaxy and of course at my camera. I think it is okay, fully charged. Let's remove the 2 transmitters and the 2 receivers. I like the case. It is on both. Let's try it with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition Type C. 2 indicators are flashing. It is plug and play, so instantly are connected. We can see the 2 lights. If I will switch off one of these, again is flashing the blue indicator. On again. And instantly is connected. And if you want, you can charge your smartphone. If your phone's battery is low while live streaming, you can charge it directly through the port on the receiver here. Type C. Charging. Just love it. Another cool feature. Very convenient. And again, it's trying to connect. The receiver does not contain a battery and you don't need to charge during use. It's taking the power from the smartphone. And to connect to another device, iPhone, with a lighting, we need to unplug from the Type-C port and then connect them here. Again, they are flashing blue and red. Turn on the iPhone. And we can see instantly connection. I like it. And again, you can charge it through this port if your iPhone doesn't have enough power. There it is, it's charging. Again, very convenient. Just love it. And of course, if you want, you can use one of these or both. And if you want to go at silent mode, you can use the function button, press twice. There it is, it's flashing blue. Silent mode, it is on. So you can use only this microphone, only this transmitter. And again, double press, connect it, it is live. And if you want to disable or enable the active noise cancellation, press once the function button, only blue light. Right now it is off. Press once again, it is on. So easy to use all the functions. Now let's move on and test first my Samsung and next the iPhone and check the audio quality. That is the most important when you are buying a microphone. And obviously you can use this microphone to create a video, to create an audio recording for your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you name it. For live streaming, so many options. Capture clear audio from any angle with the 360 degrees omnidirectional microphone, which picks up sound evenly from all directions. It's perfect for interviews and dynamic recordings. Ensure your voice is heard and not the background noise. Active noise cancellation technology filters out ambient sounds for pristine, distraction-free audio. Long-range and stable 2.4G transmission. Move with complete freedom. The robust 2.4 GHz wireless connection provides a reliable, uninterrupted signal at distance of 100 to 120 meters line of sight. Studio quality high-res audio. Capture every nuance with exceptional clarity thanks to a 48 kHz and 16-bit sampling rate and a wide 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency response, delivering rich, professional-grade sound. Real-time sync with ultra-low latency. Achieve perfect lip sync for video with an impressively low transmission delay of 18 ms, making it ideal for live streaming and professional video recording. Extended use with all-day battery, never run out of power. The microphone offers 11 hours of use, extendable to a full 21 hours with a portable 500 mAh charging case. It provides the professional look and clean, wireless audio essential for modern content creation, without the high price tag of professional systems. It's affordable and lightweight, and most importantly, it consistently delivers good results. We were impressed by the stable connection and effective range. It gives you the freedom to move away from your camera without compromising the audio quality. If you are primarily use your smartphone for recording, or you are a content creator who films interviews, vlogs or tutorials and needs a truly plug-and-play, incredibly portable microphone, the M31 is an excellent choice. The audio quality is clear and consistent, and the fact that it instantly connects to your phone means you spend less time adjusting settings and more time creating. The M31 is an affordable, reliable wireless lav system. Looking to upgrade your mobile audio system? You will find a link to the WinBridge M31 in the description below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next gear test or sound comparison. Thanks so much for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.